for a clean nation. Our innovation for a clean nation. Namaste everyone. My name is Sarjit.
My name is Niharika.
And we are the team Gutter Guarders. Under the guidance of Ma'am Seema Narula
From Swami Vivekanand High School, Mumbai.
we presented you our innovation, the Gutter Guard and the sewage cage for smoother drainage system.
We are going to see why we make this innovation.
The main problem behind this is that of open drainage holes along the footpath. Basically, when we have these holes along the footpath during the monsoon season, various kind of garbage, trash or wrappers go into them, causing clogging, which can cause water in the drains to come out on the roads, which cause flooding, which can cause various health issues and economical losses to authorities and citizens.
We are going to see causes one by one.
The main cause of this problem is that of open scuppers or the drainage holes along the footpath, which allow various kind of garbage to enter them, which clogs them and causes flooding in cities and villages too. The second problem is of unawareness of people,
Poor well disposal habit of people.
which causes again clogging of the system, which causes flooding. Then in rural or urban villages, there are a lot of open nalas, and when people throw garbage into them, it causes pollution and affects the lives of people. Then there's no sanitation worker which is allowed to open and clean the gutter holes out of the nalas, which again makes the system even more burdened by them. Then the last problem is of improper urbanization. Basically, people build their houses anywhere, on the sidewalk, on the footpath, which again increases the load and the work of the municipal authorities and the load on the gutter system, which again causes clogging and flooding. Thanks.
We are going to look upon who are facing this problem.
The major people who face these problems are urban and rural residents which live near roads, gutters or nalas, which are affected by the problem of flooding. Then the municipal corporation authorities which have to constantly deal or hassle with such type of issues. And then after lastly, the sanitation workers which have to go on the field and solve these problems by cleaning the sewages and the gutters. So these are the people who are majorly affected by
We
the
are
problem.
going to see this innovation.
This is the gutter guard. Its shape is designed very carefully, very adjustingly to the shape of the drainage hole. Now look at the shape carefully. It's a canopy with a triangular front. Why this shape only? This shape is selected because of this particular design. It has a design of a triangle which allows the debris and the garbage to get deflected to size, keeping the hole open. Then second point, what happens if the garbage comes all the way over here? See, it will still let the water flow. Why? Because it is a curve. The curve will allow some area to be open and will allow water to flow. And this also stops the garbage from entering. Now let's look at a small version of this. Now why I have made this? This is made for smaller drain holes. For example, in our houses or even in our colonies. This again has the same shape but a little exaggerated triangle. Now let's go forward. Now we look on the sewage cage. So, if you look at its design, it's a cuboid with 5 sides closed and 1 side open. What will exactly happen? As sanitation workers fix this up and put in the nala, the water from the nala will start to flow from this face, open face, and will go into this closed face. Now this closed face has a net on it, which will only allow water to pass through it, not the garbage and the debris, which will clean our nalas. Then sanitation workers will pick it up, remove the waste, and again insert it.
Now we are demonstrating on field.
This is the small gutter guard near in our school premises, and this is the originally where I had this idea. Look at this drainage hole along the footpath and look at the garbage inside it. Now this garbage will cause clogging and again flooding will occur. For that we can use the gutter guard as we are demonstrating over here. Look, it blocks the drain hole. Now when the garbage is doubled in this garbage, it will get deflected to this side, which will not block the gutter. Of the sewage cage, you can easily see that the sanitation worker can remove this, dispose of the trash and again reinsert it. So this will help us to clean our nalas or the urban and the rural villages. The final point we want to say that we are extremely thankful for the government to give us an opportunity to express our ideas and innovation and the problems that we face in our surroundings, society and community through the medium of Viksit Bharat Buildathon and School Innovation Mission. Now, gutter guard and sewage cage might seem a small innovation, but this innovation can save millions of rupees in the form of infrastructure, in the form of diseases and the pollution, in the form of flooding of our roads. So, at the last, we want to say that I hope that our innovation will lead to a Viksit Bharat and Atmanirbhar Bharat. So, at the last, we want to say that our innovation for a clean nation, our innovation for a clean nation, our innovation for a clean nation.